Hello guys, let's quickly see how to apply the Helium 10 coupon code and claim the biggest deal. First, click the Helium 10 coupon code link in the video description. Discount works through my link only. Here you can see the available offers. Get 20% off for the first 6 months with this coupon code. Get 10% off every month for life with this coupon code. Just click on the coupon code, it will take you directly to the payment page. If any pop-up shows, please click it so you will get more discount. Now you can see that the Helium 10 coupon code has been applied successfully. You will receive 25% off for the first 6 months, after which the regular price will apply. Next, create an account or sign in using your Google account. You will then be redirected to the payment page. Complete your payment, and that's it. You have successfully claimed your Helium 10 coupon discount. If you have any doubts about which plan to choose, go to the Pricing tab and scroll down. Expand the full list of features to see everything included in each plan to decide what works best for you. Thank you for purchasing. We wish you great success in growing your business.